I want to ask you a question, and I want you to really sit with it for a moment. How many incredibly smart people do you know who are still stuck, still frustrated, still wondering why life hasn't turned out the way they imagined? They've got the degrees, the ideas, the intelligence, and yet year after year, nothing truly changes. Meanwhile, you've seen others, people who aren't the smartest in the room, create extraordinary lives, massive impact, and real fulfillment. And the difference isn't talent, it isn't luck, it's clarity and hunger. You see, intelligence is potential, but potential means nothing without direction. A sharp mind without clarity is like a high-powered engine with no steering wheel. It can rev all day long, burn fuel, make a lot of noise, and still go nowhere. Clarity is what tells your mind where to focus, what to filter out, and what actually matters. When you're clear, decisions stop draining you. You don't wake up every day negotiating with yourself. You know who you are, what you want, and why it matters, and that kind of clarity creates power. Most people think being smart will save them. They believe if they analyze enough, plan enough, wait long enough, they'll eventually feel ready. But clarity doesn't come from thinking more. It comes from deciding more. The moment you decide, your brain lines up behind you, your energy shifts, your body follows. And suddenly, things that felt overwhelming start to feel manageable. Not because they're easier, but because you're no longer divided inside. Now let's talk about hunger. Hunger is the fire. Hunger is the reason you keep going when motivation disappears. Intelligence might tell you what's possible, but hunger is what forces you to act when it's uncomfortable, when it's inconvenient, when nobody is clapping for you. Hunger is what gets you out of bed early and keeps you up late, not because you have to, but because something inside you refuses to settle for less than what you know you're capable of. I've met geniuses who quit at the first sign of resistance, and I've met average people who became world class because they were starving for growth, starving for meaning, starving to prove something to themselves. Hunger creates momentum. It creates resilience. It turns obstacles into fuel. When you're hungry, failure doesn't define you, it trains you. Rejection doesn't stop you, it sharpens you. Pain doesn't break you, it builds you. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Being smart can actually hold you back. When you're smart, you can rationalize staying comfortable. You can explain away your fears. You can build beautiful stories about why now isn't the right time. Clarity cuts through all of that. Hunger destroys excuses. Together, they make you dangerous in the best possible way. When you're clear, you don't chase everything. You say no more than you say yes. You stop leaking energy into distractions, comparisons, and other people's expectations. And when you're driven, you don't wait for confidence to show up. You build confidence through action. You move before you feel ready because you understand something most people never grasp. Clarity grows with motion, not with hesitation. Think about the moments in your life when you were unstoppable. You weren't necessarily smarter then. You were clearer. You wanted something badly enough that you were willing to look foolish, to fail publicly, to try again when it hurt. That's the state where real change happens. That's where identity shifts. That's where you stop asking, can I do this? And start asking, what's it going to take? The world doesn't reward intelligence alone. It rewards applied focus and relentless drive. It rewards people who decide who they are before the world decides for them. It rewards those who wake up with a reason, a target, a sense of purpose that pulls them forward even on the hard days. So if you're feeling stuck right now, don't ask yourself how to become smarter. Ask yourself what you need to get clear about. What standard are you willing to live by? What are you no longer available for? And what are you hungry enough to pursue even if it scares you? Because once you get clear, and once that hunger kicks in, you don't need permission. You don't need perfect conditions. You don't need to be the smartest person in the room. You become the one who moves, the one who persists, the one who grows, and in the end, that will always matter more. Most people believe that if they just become smarter, more knowledgeable, more informed, everything in their life will finally fall into place. But intelligence without clarity doesn't create progress, it creates noise. When your mind is full of information but empty of direction, you end up spinning in circles, thinking constantly, evaluating endlessly, and still feeling stuck. Clarity is the difference between movement and motion. Motion keeps you busy. Movement actually takes you somewhere. A clear direction tells your brain what to prioritize, what to ignore, and where to invest your energy. Without it, even the brightest mind gets overwhelmed, distracted, and exhausted. Clarity begins with a decision. Not a preference, not a wish, but a decision that draws a line in the sand and says, this is who I am, this is what I'm after, and this is what matters most right now. The moment you make that kind of decision, something shifts internally. Your thoughts organize themselves. Your emotions stabilize. Your actions start to align. Confusion isn't a lack of intelligence, it's a lack of commitment. When you refuse to choose, your brain keeps searching for options, and that constant searching drains your power. Direction frees you from that mental chaos. A focused mind is far more powerful than a clever one. When you are clear, you don't need to analyze every possible outcome. You act from certainty, not from fear. You stop asking, what if it doesn't work? And start asking, what's the next step? That shift alone can change the trajectory of a life. Clarity turns complexity into simplicity. It doesn't mean the path is easy. It means the path is visible. And when the path is visible, progress becomes inevitable because you're no longer negotiating with yourself every morning about whether or not to move forward. Many people mistake overthinking for preparation. They tell themselves they are being responsible, realistic, cautious. But what's really happening is they're avoiding discomfort. Intelligence gives you the ability to justify hesitation. Clarity removes the need for justification. When you know your direction, you don't need external validation. You don't need consensus. You don't need perfect timing. You move because not moving feels heavier than the risk of failure. That's the power of knowing exactly what you're aiming at. Direction also creates discipline. When you're clear, discipline stops feeling like punishment and starts feeling like self-respect. You say no to distractions not because you're forcing yourself, but because they no longer align with where you're going. Time becomes valuable. Energy becomes sacred. You stop leaking focus into things that don't matter. Intelligence alone can tell you what you should do. Clarity makes you actually do it. That's the difference between knowing the path and walking it. A life without clarity feels reactive. You respond to circumstances, opinions, and pressures instead of shaping your own direction. Even the smartest people can end up living lives designed by other people if they never define their own priorities. Clarity is how you take ownership. It's how you stop drifting and start designing. Once you decide what you stand for and what you're building toward, everything else becomes feedback instead of distraction. When direction is clear, fear loses its control. You still feel it, but it no longer gets to drive. Uncertainty doesn't paralyze you because you're anchored to something bigger than the moment. You don't need all the answers to take the next step. You just need a clear target. And with that target in place, your mind becomes a tool instead of a trap, working for you instead of against you. Hunger is the force that turns intention into action when conditions are imperfect and motivation is nowhere to be found. It's easy to take action when you feel inspired, when people support you, when results come quickly. But real progress is built in the moments when you're tired, when you're uncertain, and when nothing seems to be working yet. Hunger is what carries you through those moments. It's a deep internal drive that refuses to accept stagnation as a final answer. You can understand exactly what to do and still never do it if the desire isn't strong enough to push you past discomfort. Intelligence often waits for confidence. Hunger creates confidence by moving first. When you're hungry, you don't need perfect clarity or guaranteed success to take the next step. You act, you adjust, and you grow stronger through the process. Every action, even imperfect ones, builds evidence that you can handle more than you thought. That evidence compounds into belief. Belief compounds into momentum. And momentum is what separates people who dream from people who build. Hunger keeps you in motion when the initial excitement fades and the work becomes repetitive and lonely. People underestimate how powerful desire really is. Hunger sharpens your focus. It filters distractions. When something truly matters to you, excuses lose their appeal. You find ways instead of reasons. You stop negotiating with your comfort zone. The mind may look for shortcuts, but hunger commits to the long road because it understands the cost of staying where you are is greater than the cost of change. That kind of drive can't be taught in a classroom. It's forged through purpose, pain, and a refusal to settle. When challenges appear, hunger changes how you interpret them. Instead of seeing obstacles as proof that you're not good enough, you see them as part of the process. Resistance becomes training. Failure becomes feedback. Setbacks become signals to refine your approach, not abandon your goal. Intelligence alone might analyze why something didn't work. Hunger asks what can be done next. That question keeps you alive in the game. It keeps you learning, adapting, and evolving instead of retreating. Hunger also removes the need for external motivation. You stop relying on praise, recognition, or reassurance to keep going. Your drive comes from within, from a vision that matters to you more than temporary comfort. That's why hungry people often outlast more talented ones. They don't quit when the road gets hard because they expected it to be hard. They decided in advance that discomfort is part of the price of growth. That decision gives them emotional resilience. There is a difference between wanting something and being hungry for it. Wanting is passive. Hunger is active. Wanting says someday. Hunger says now. Wanting looks for permission. Hunger takes responsibility. When you are hungry, procrastination feels painful. Inaction feels like betrayal. You feel compelled to move, to try, to stretch beyond what's familiar. That compulsion is what builds grit, endurance, and real-world skill over time. Hunger turns ordinary effort into extraordinary persistence. It's the reason some people keep showing up when no one is watching and no reward is guaranteed. Over time, that consistency compounds. Skills sharpen. Confidence grows. Results appear. Not because the person was the smartest, but because they stayed engaged long enough to become effective. Hunger keeps you in the game long enough for success to become inevitable. Success is not created in moments of brilliance. It is built through consistent, driven action taken over time. Intelligence may help you understand what should be done, but action is what turns understanding into results. The world doesn't reward ideas sitting in your head, no matter how smart they are. It rewards execution. And execution is rarely glamorous. It's repetitive. It's uncomfortable. It requires showing up long after the excitement has faded. Consistency is the real separator between those who admire potential and those who live out their potential. Driven action means doing what matters even when you don't feel like it. It means moving forward when progress feels slow and invisible. Most people overestimate what intelligence can do in a single moment and underestimate what consistent action can do over a lifetime. Small actions taken daily compound in ways that are impossible to see in the beginning. One decision, one habit, one step forward repeated again and again reshapes identity, confidence, and capability. Smart people often wait for the perfect plan. Driven people work the plan they have and improve it through motion. Action creates feedback, and feedback creates growth. Without action, you stay stuck in theory. With action, you enter reality where skills are built, weaknesses are exposed, and real confidence is formed. Confidence is not a personality trait. It's a byproduct of keeping promises to yourself through consistent behavior. Driven action also eliminates self-doubt. Doubt thrives in inactivity. The longer you wait, the louder it becomes. But when you act, even imperfectly, doubt has less room to grow. You may still feel fear, but you're no longer controlled by it. Each step forward reinforces the belief that you are someone who follows through. Over time, that belief becomes unshakable because it's rooted in evidence, not positive thinking. Consistency turns effort into identity. When you repeatedly act in alignment with your goals, You stop seeing yourself as someone who is trying and start seeing yourself as someone who does. That identity shift changes everything. Decisions become easier. Discipline feels natural. You no longer rely on willpower because your actions are now part of who you are. Intelligence can explain why something matters. Consistent action proves that it does. There will always be people who are smarter, faster, more naturally talented, but very few are willing to be consistent when results are delayed. Very few are willing to keep pushing when progress is quiet and recognition is absent. Driven action gives you an edge that intelligence alone never can. It allows you to outlast, outlearn, and outperform by staying engaged while others quit. Action is how clarity sharpens and hunger expresses itself. Without action, clarity stays theoretical and hunger turns into frustration. But when you act consistently, everything begins to align. Your focus improves. Your energy increases. Your standards rise. You stop waiting for breakthroughs and start creating them through repetition and commitment. Success becomes less about sudden inspiration and more about who you are willing to be every single day, especially when no one is watching and nothing feels certain, and the only thing carrying you forward is the decision to keep going anyway.